It's the season for planting sweet potatoes again. In this video, I'll teach you how to grow sweet potatoes at home. You can easily grow them on a balcony or rooftop. We all know that sweet potatoes are grown using vines. So the first step is to use a sweet potato for seedling propagation. Find a basket, place an old woven bag at the bottom, and choose fine sandy soil for the seedlings. Smooth it out with your hand. Then wash the sweet potato clean and place it on top of the soil. Cover it with another layer of fine sandy soil. Water it thoroughly. And while waiting for the seedlings to grow, we can prepare the containers for planting. Place some straw or dry hay at the bottom and use homemade nutrient-rich soil. This consists of 5 parts soil, 3 parts decomposed chicken manure, 2 parts rice husk ash, and 1 part rice husk mixed together. After 20 days, the sweet potato vines that were previously propagated will have grown. Here, we generally plant in the autumn. So remember to start the seedlings in advance. When do you plant sweet potatoes where you are? Cut the sweet potato vines and quickly plant them horizontally. Under each leaf in the soil, there is a node, and that is where the sweet potatoes will grow. It's best to transplant in the evening, when the sun is not too intense. This way, the survival rate is higher. After 46 days, we need to add some organic fertilizer to the sweet potatoes. Then add more soil. After 92 days, when the sweet potato leaves start to wilt, it's generally time to harvest. Actually, planting sweet potatoes is very simple. The key to success is that the soil must be loose, breathable, and fertile, with occasional watering. You don't need to worry about it too much. We pour out the soil to see if we missed any sweet potatoes. After harvesting the sweet potatoes, we can add some fertilizer to the soil and continue planting other vegetables.